Now I'm going to quickly use my DFRobot offline gravity voice recognition module to control the Adeept Omnidirectional Mechanism wheels car with Banana Pi's Pico W S3 on board. Let's begin. Hello, robot.
Yes, I'm here.
Turn on the light.
Okay.
Set to green.
Okay.
Set to blue.
Okay.
Go forward.
Done.
Park a car.
Done.
Reverse. Or retreat.
Done.
Park a car.
Done.
Dim the light.
Okay.
Dim the light.
Okay.
Dim the light.
Okay.
Brighten the light. Brighten the light.
Okay.
Brighten the light.
Okay.
Let's see, what else can we do with this? Turn off the light.
Okay.
Turn on the light.
Okay.
Set to red.
Okay.
And then set to orange.
Okay.
Set to yellow.
Okay.
Orange and yellow look similar to me in my eyes. Set to green. Set to green.
Okay.
Set to blue.
Okay.
Set to cyan.
Okay.
Set to purple.
Okay.
And set to white.
Okay.
Set servo to 10 degrees.
Okay.
Set servo to 30 degrees.
Okay.
Set servo to 45 degrees.
Okay.
There it goes. Set servo to 60 degrees.
Okay.
Probably didn't pronounce it clearly enough. Set servo to 90 degrees.
Okay.
Very nice. Front view. And then let's turn on the buzzer.
Okay. The buzzer is on.
Ooh. Let's turn off the buzzer.
Okay. The buzzer is off.
Thank you. Yeah, so that's the DFRobot voice recognition module. I've added a lot of different commands here, just connected them. And you can check my website if you want to have a look at how to do this. Pretty much I've just connected the DFRobot here
I'm off
with
now.
little DuPont wires to connect into this type of cable. I guess it's just a JST maybe? I'm not really sure. I just had a bunch of these. But it's over I2C, so this is just connected over I2C and then it's handling, processing the commands. I've created a CircuitPython library, or a fork, I guess, of the initial, original Python library that's supported for Raspberry Pi that's in CircuitPython, so you can use it with the board, or the module rather. Anyhow, works rather well. That's pretty much it for the different components of the vehicle.
I'm off now.
Well, let's send him off before he's really off. Hello, robot.
How can I help?
Go forward.
Done.
Bye. Park a car. Park a car. Watching my video, please like and subscribe. If you want to get a hold of this 3D model, go to printables in the description below. Thanks again.